In this video, I'm going to show you another way of monetizing this website. I recently uploaded a video showing how I created this website on my mobile device. If you have not seen that video, make sure you check the link in the description. You learn how to create a beautiful website like this on your mobile device for free. I also have another video linked in the description showing you how you can monetize this website. In this video, I'm going to show you another strategy you could use to monetize this website and make money online. If you're ready, keep watching. So another way you can monetize this website is to look for affiliate networks, sign up on those affiliate networks, and then get affiliate links and HTML codes from advertisers and place them on this website. To show you how you can do this, so you're going to go to Google and search GoDaddy.com. That's going to bring you to this website. Okay, so GoDaddy is a website where you can buy domains and you can also get other services on this website. So you're going to scroll down to the bottom of this website and come to where it says partner programs. You're going to see where it says affiliates. You're going to click this affiliate here, and that's going to take you to this page. Okay, so on this page you're going to see where it says get started by joining our partner, CJ Affiliate. So CJ Affiliate is an affiliate network, just like you have Warrior Plus, just like you have Digistores 24. So you're going to click this. Once you click this, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, you're going to carefully read what it says here. Okay, so what does it say? You're basically signing up here. Okay, so you're going to sign up here as a publisher. You can see where it says CJ Affiliate Publisher Sign Up. So you're going to put all the necessary details here, all the necessary details. The sign up process is simple. Okay, so you hit verify email. Okay, so they're going to send you a verification link to your email. So you're going to go to your email and then click the verification link and finish the signing up process. Okay, so once you are signed up on this website, then you'll be able to get your GoDaddy affiliate links, okay, to promote on your website. Okay, so the sign up process is easy, but if you get a little bit confused, you could search that on YouTube, how to sign up on cj.com. okay, so you can search it up on YouTube. You're gonna get a thorough guidance on how you can sign up on this website. That's if you get confused, but the process is simple. You're gonna get on-screen instructions telling you what to do from one stage to the next stage. Okay, so once you're done, you're gonna get an email from GoDaddy that your application has been approved. Okay, so your application is dependent on your successful signing up on this website. Okay, so you're gonna get an email that looks like this. The email is gonna look like this. It's gonna say welcome to GoDaddy Global Affiliate Program. Okay, so you're gonna get this email once you've successfully signed up on CJ. Okay, so the email is gonna look like this, and then somewhere here is gonna say visit our advertiser detail page and grab some of our best performing banners and test links. Okay, so you can hit there to see the best performing banners and links you can promote on your site. Okay, so if you go down here a little bit, you can see where it says you can see these banners. You can put these banners on your site. Okay, so let's say I want to put this banner on my site. All I need to do is to click where it says let me zoom that in. You can see where it says get HTML, so you click that. So that brings us to this page. So what I'm going to do is to hit this select code. So having selected this code, so the next thing would be to come to the dashboard of your Blogger site. Okay, so once you are here, what you will do is to come to this place and click that. That's gonna bring you to this place. So you come to where it says layout. So you're gonna click that layout. So that's gonna bring you here. So what you're gonna do is you come to this place where it says add a widget. You're gonna click that add a widget button. So that's gonna bring you to this place. Okay, so you can see where it says HTML JavaScript. So you're gonna click that. So here you're going to where it says content. You're gonna paste the code of the ad. So having pasted the code, the next thing will be to save it. So now the next one will be to hit this and come to where it says view blog. Now that's gonna bring us to our site. So if we scroll down here, we can see the ad. So another thing you can also do is to visit this place to get more banners and affiliate links, or you can also get the link of one of these banners here. Okay, so if I try to click on it, I'm gonna see this. So you can copy the URL. So you can come to your Blogger dashboard, visit your post. That's gonna take you to the post you already have on your site. Okay, so you can add those banners on this post. Okay, so let's say we want to add it to this one where it says how to start a blog for free. So you're gonna click that. That's gonna show you the compose view of this. So you can click this button here to change it to HTML view. So that's gonna take it to this form. So what you're gonna have to do now is to look for a convenient place here to paste the code. So once you find a convenient place here to paste the code, then you click the update button, and then if you go back to your blog, come here where it says view blog. So we can see right here our blog. So if we click this to visit the blog post, now we can see the ad displaying here. You can see that displaying there. Okay, so I added another one. You can also see it displaying here. Okay, you can also add them here as hyperlinks, and that's how you can add it on posts and even on pages on this website. Okay, so this is Big Zell Bees, and it's your guy Ken signing out.